Thanks for calling Lonestar Plumbing. This is the front desk. You got an active leak or backup right now? Or is this to get something scheduled? Either way, I'll take care of you.
Hi, my water heater just like exploded and there's water all across the garage floor. And I got a newborn at the house. Can you get someone out here today?
I'm so sorry you're dealing with this, especially with a newborn at home. Let's get this stopped right now. Now, let me get your information so I can get a plumber rolling to you. What's your name?
It's Mike Carter,
Mike, got it. And what's the address where we need to come out?
1402 Blue Bonnet Trail, Houston, Texas.
Perfect. Let me read that back to you. 1402 Bluebonnet Trail, Houston, Texas. Is that right?
That's correct.
And, Mike, what's the best callback number for?
713-555-01.
Perfect, Mike. So, we've got an active water heater failure with flooding in your garage. I'm getting a plumber dispatched to you right now as an emergency. They're going to head straight to 1402 Bluebonnet Trail in Houston. You'll get a confirmation email with all the details and a calendar invite at mike@lonestarlab.io in just a moment.
I think that's great. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome, Mike. Take care of that newborn, and a plumber will be there shortly. Thanks for calling Lone Star Plumbing.
All right, take care. Bye.